everyone, this is Lani. We are going to do a little spring cleaning of our bodies. So if you ever notice when it's springtime, we like to open up the windows and dust and clean our houses when the weather starts getting nicer. Well, we also can do a little cleaning of our bodies. In yoga, when we do twists with our bodies, it's kind of like taking a washcloth and wringing out all the stuff we don't need and helping our bodies eliminate all the things we don't need in our bodies, from the air we breathe and the food we eat. So doing a few simple twists helps to clean our bodies from the inside out. So we're going to start with one of my favorite breathing exercises. It's called stretch and hug. And then we'll get into our twist. So finding your seat, you can be on the floor, you can be in a chair, you can sit anywhere that feels comfortable to you. We're going to sit up nice and tall. Imagine you have this string on the top of your head, stretching it to the top of the ceiling, your roof, wherever it's going, or even to the clouds in the sky. And that helps our spine get nice and tall. So let's take a big breath in. We're going to reach our arms all the way out. And then we're going to exhale. We're going to give ourselves the biggest hug. Maybe even rounding your spine forward, reaching for your shoulders. And let's do that again. Ready? Big inhale. Stretch, stretch, stretch your fingers. And then we're going to exhale. We're going to give ourselves a hug, but your other arm is going to come on top as you round your spine forward. Excellent job. Now we're going to take our arms all the way up to the sky. Big breath in. And let's just shake it all out. Shake, 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 shake everything out that you don't need. Let's do that again. Big breath in. And then shake, 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 shake. Shake out all the stuff you don't need right now. All right, hands back to your lap. We are going to now do a little seated twist. So we're going to inhale one hand and we're going to put it on the opposite knee. Now, if you're sitting in a chair, you can take that hand and put it on the outside of the chair, wherever that hand lands. So let's inhale and then exhale that hand to your opposite leg. So now your arm comes right across your body. And then we inhale our other arm up to the sky. And then we exhale it and put it right behind us, kind of propping up our spine, maybe even making us a little taller. And if you can, you're going to look over this opposite shoulder. Take another deep breath in. Get long and tall, and then exhale, look over that shoulder. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And then exhale, look over your shoulder. And let's come out of our twist and just kind of shake out your arms a little bit. Great. So now we're going to do the other side. Whenever we do one side, we need to do the other. So here we go. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale. Put your hand on your opposite knee, on the side of the chair, wherever it lands. Inhale your arm up. And then exhale, reach that hand right behind you, propping up your spine, getting a little taller as you look over your shoulder. Let's try that again. Big breath in. And then exhale for a twist. Let's do one more breath. Inhale, spine long. And then exhale for a twist. And then untwist yourself. Great job, everyone. Just notice how you feel. So now we're going to lie on our back for a little pose I call Twisty T. We're getting another twist of our spine, but from a lying down position. So I'm going to turn my body, and I'm going to give my knees a big hug and a squeeze before I roll myself nice and slow all the way down to the floor. All right. So what I like to do when I'm lying on my back is I like to see if I can feel my shoulders on the floor, and I like to roll my whole back onto the floor and get comfortable. And then we're going to lift our knees and give our knees a really big hug again from this lying down position. And I'm going to take my knees and I'm going to push them over to one side. So my knees are going to come all the way over to the side, and then I'm going to bring my arms out like a T. And that's why this is called twisty T. Let's take 2 breaths here in this position, just noticing how your body feels in this twist. And another thing to add, some people have a really tough time keeping their shoulder down and their knees down. So you just do what feels good in your body, whether your knees are down, maybe your shoulder comes up a little, or maybe your shoulder's down and your knees come up a little. It doesn't matter. Just do what feels good to you in this pose. Take a breath in and a breath out. Take a big breath in for the twist and a big breath out. And we are going to do a little trick here. We're going to keep our arms down on the floor as we see if we can bring our knees all the way over to the other side without using our arms. If that's really too hard for your body today, then you can use your hands, but give this a try first. Here we go. We're going to bring our knees using all of those core belly muscles as we bring our knees all the way over to the other side. Great job. So I'm going to turn my body back onto my mat, and I'm going to bring my knees a little closer up, and my arms are still in my T pose. And then I'm going to bring my head to the other side for my twist. Take a breath in, and exhale all the breath. I'm going to look over to the other side. You can keep your head this direction. Take a deep breath in, and let it out. So now we're going to bring those knees back up into our chest. And then give your knees a big squeeze. And let's shake it all out. Shake, shake, shake everything out that you don't need today. Giving your knees one more big hug and squeeze as we roll all the way up to sit crisscross yoga sauce. And bring your hands back to your knees. And just notice how you feel after all the spring cleaning you did, eliminating all the things you don't need in your body right now with our twists. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great rest of your day.